Hey there, future investors. If you're eager to dive into the world of investing with Vanguard, one of the most trusted names in finance, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to open a Vanguard account, so you can start building your portfolio without any hassle. Whether you're a beginner saving for retirement or an experienced trader, this process is straightforward and secure. First, fire up your computer or grab your phone and head to the Vanguard website at vanguard.com. Once you're there, look for the prominent Open an Account button. It's usually right on the homepage. Clicking that will kick things off. Next, you'll need to select the type of account that fits your goals. Vanguard offers options like an individual brokerage account for general investing, or retirement accounts such as a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. Take a moment to think about what you're aiming for, long-term growth or short-term gains. After choosing your account, you'll be asked to provide some personal information. This includes basics like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment details. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for your security. Make sure you have this info ready to avoid any delays. Then, Vanguard will verify your identity to protect against fraud. This might involve answering a few questions based on your credit history or uploading identification documents. It's a quick step that ensures your account stays safe. Once verified, it's time to fund your account. You can link an external bank account and transfer money electronically, or set up a direct deposit. Keep in mind that some Vanguard funds have minimum investment requirements, so double-check those before you proceed. A pro tip: if you're just starting out, consider Vanguard's low-cost index funds. They're beginner-friendly and offer great diversification. And just like that, you're all set. You've opened your Vanguard account and are ready to explore their wide range of investment options. Remember, investing involves risks, so do your research and consider consulting a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy investing!